Is PacketStream a great way to earn some easy passive money online, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have joined to test it myself, and in this PacketStream review I will give it an inside look and I will explain exactly how it works and how you can earn from it, so you can easily see if this is the right option for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of Get Paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. So let's just start by going over a little bit more about what PacketStream is and what it offers and why they actually offer to pay you, because it is a platform where people can buy internet access, where you can share unused internet bandwidth and people can then buy this bandwidth, as you can see here, or you can become a packeter, as they call it, and then you can sell your unused internet bandwidth. And because some people are willing to buy that internet bandwidth, you are able to actually get paid if you have some internet that you can share. So it is actually a way to earn, and you can actually earn here, and once it has been installed, you actually do earn passively. You do not have to do anything extra, and I will go into more about that a little bit later. So before taking an inside look, let's just make it clear who can join, because that is of course important to know if PacketStream is even relevant for you. And you can in theory join PacketStream no matter the country you live in. But of course, if you have a limited internet, then it does not really make sense, because then you might end up paying more for your internet than you will actually earn here. So it is only relevant for you if you actually have unlimited internet. In addition to that, the payout method also gives some limitations in terms of who can join, and I will go over more about that later when we talk about the payout methods. So I have now logged into the platform, and when you log into the website itself, there is not much you can do in here, because you need to download an app to actually start earning. You can use the site here if you want to buy the bandwidth instead, but if you want to earn, which is what I will focus on in this video here, then you need to download the PacketStream, as they call it here. You just click over here on download, and you need to be on the computer you want to install it on. As you can see here, I'm on a Windows computer, but if you are sitting on, for example, a Mac or Linux, you will also have the option to download it there. Just to make it clear, they do not have an app for your phone, and this is because of how it consumes internet bandwidth and things like this, so it rarely would make sense to actually have it on your phone. You can in theory have it running on several computers to earn more. You just need to be aware that if those computers are connected to the same network, then it will not really make sense, because then they will just use the same internet connection anyways and you won't earn more. So if you want to install it on several computers to earn more, then you need to make sure that they are connected to each their internet connection. So all you then just need to do is just to download the app for the device you are on. And then once you have installed it, you just need to log in again with the credentials that you used to create your account on the website. And you can see then again, it just describes here exactly what it does. You just need to let it running, and then you will earn credits when it is sharing your bandwidth. And that is basically it. Now it is running in the background, and I am earning just for having it running there. And you can see I just updated here, and it has actually started here selling traffic. So then it will just slowly start counting here. And also, if you log into just the website, you can keep an eye on the account there. But just to show you, I just refreshed again, and you can see it just counts all the time here. So just by letting it running like that, I am actually earning just while I'm talking to you here. So how much can you then earn? That is of course also important to know. And as you can see here, you will earn 10 cents per gigabyte of data you share. And this is also the reason that I told earlier that if you pay for your internet yourself and do not have an unlimited plan, then it does not really make sense. But if you have an unlimited connection and you can just let it run on a computer, maybe you do not really use the computer for much else or the internet connection all the time, then it will run faster, and the faster internet you have, the more internet it will share and the faster you will earn. So how much you can earn entirely depends on your internet connection and your computer, and how much else you have connected to your internet connection. But as you can see, it's definitely a fairly easy way to earn a bit of extra cash on the side. So one more way you can earn on PacketStream is by inviting friends to join as well. So if you share your invitation link with them and they decide to join through that, then you will earn a commission paid by PacketStream. They will earn the same, but this is just paid by PacketStream to thank you for inviting others. And I, of course, also have an invitation link like that. So if you found this video helpful and you want to support me, then you are, of course, more than welcome to join through that link. And I will leave a link below this video here that will take you to a full review on my website. And at the top of that, you can find a joining button and join through my link there if you want to support me like that. But anyways, if you have a lot of friends that might be interested in earning like this, then inviting them can be a way to earn a bit extra. So let's now go over how you can then get your earnings out and when you can get them out, because that is also very important to know before joining any type of make money online platform. And PacketStream uses PayPal, as you can see in their FAQ section here, and that is the only payout method they offer. And that's also why I mentioned in the beginning that you can join from more or less all countries, but the payout methods puts a limitation to that because there are some countries where PayPal is not available. So if you live in a country where you cannot accept PayPal payments, then PacketStream is not a good option. They have a fairly low payout threshold. It is only $5, so it will not actually take you too long to reach the payout threshold so you can get your earnings out. Just be aware, as they mentioned here also, there is a 3% fee, so you have to pay that once you cash out. That is a PayPal fee, some of it anyways, some of it is a fee from PacketStream here, but just so you're aware that you will not get the full amount. But I do like that they pay out through PayPal and that they also have such a low payout threshold. Of course, it would have been great if they also offered other payout methods so all countries could join and benefit from it. But that is just how it is. If you do not live in a country where PayPal is available, you have to find other ways to earn online instead. So overall, I think PacketStream is an interesting way to earn a bit of extra cash. But it is not for all. You need to have unlimited internet and you need to not have any problems with actually sharing some of that bandwidth. And if you have any concerns, then I would definitely recommend you to go to PacketStream and read through all their terms. They say they are very strict with security and safety, but it can definitely be a good idea to go through the FAQ section and also the terms and conditions so you know exactly what to expect. But if you have unlimited internet, you have fast internet, then it can definitely be a way to earn some easy money. No, it will not make you rich, but also you do not have to do anything. And there are not that many ways you can earn completely passively just by having something running in the background. So that is definitely the strength of PacketStream in my opinion. And I do also like that they have a very low payout threshold of only $5. But if you want to know even more about PacketStream, I also have even more details on my website, and there I also have an invitation link. So make sure to check that out. I will leave a link below this video here that will take you to my website. And if this video helped you, then also make sure to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.